Hello guys, welcome to the JFS channel. So today we are going to be looking at this bull market scalping strategy. Okay, so with this strategy you can make your money, and if you're someone that wants a simple but effective strategy, then this strategy is for you. Just stay tuned, watch this video to the end, and make sure you do me a favor by subscribe to this channel, like this video, and turn on post notification anytime we post new strategy. You guys will be aware. Okay, so I'm not going to let this video too long, so it's going to be a simple and straightforward strategy. So okay, I'm also going to show you guys settings for the strategy. Okay, so just make sure you stay tuned. And if you need any help from us, you can just contact us at the number you're seeing at the screen. We are going to help you with anything that you want. Okay, so let's get straight into the video. First thing you want to do is just go to this icon we're seeing at the top. So this is where we are going to be adding all the indicator of. So we need two moving average, the first one and the second one, and we need the Bollinger Bands and the stochastic oscillator. So the first indicator we're going to be adding is the moving average. So click on this F icon at the top, search for moving average, and set it up like this. Okay, this is how it's going to look like. Okay, so once you set everything up like this, click on save, and you have your moving average in your chart. Now to the next indicator, which is the Bollinger Bands. So click on this F icon again, search for Bollinger Bands and click on it. Now for the Bollinger Bands, just set everything up like this. Set everything up like this, use any color of your choice, then click on save, and you have your Bollinger Bands in your chart. Now to the next indicator, which is stochastic oscillator, click on this F icon of the main chart, search for stochastic oscillator and click on it. Now for the stochastic oscillator, set everything up like this, and for the levels we need the 20 and the 80 levels. Go back, make sure you set everything up like this, use any color of your choice and click on save. Now we only need the main color, we don't need the signal color. Okay, remember that. Now for the last indicator, which is the moving average, click on this F icon on your indicator window one, search for moving average and click on it. Now for the moving average, this is how you are going to set everything up. Set it up like this, then click on save, and you have your moving average in your chart. So that is all the settings you are going to be using for this strategy. Okay, so now let's talk about how this strategy works. Now one thing I want you to keep in mind is that this strategy, we are mainly focused on the main chart to give us the signals we want. Okay, the main chart is going to be the one to give us the signal we want, and the indicator one is going to be the one that we are going to follow up to give us the main signal we want on the main chart. Now first thing you want to do is that whenever you want to take a trade, you always look for something right here. Now whenever you see here that the moving average and the stochastic line at is whenever you see the moving average and the stochastic oscillator line at the 20 levels, then you are looking for one thing. And what is that? Is that you want to see that the stochastic oscillator line cross above the moving average. Okay, so once it cross above the moving average, then you are going to be looking for your main chart trade. Okay, it has to cross above before it touch the 20 levels. You have to keep that in mind, which you can see it right here. So it has to cross above each other, which stochastic oscillator has to cross above the moving average before it touch the 20 levels. After we see that, then look into your main chart. And what are you looking for your main chart? You want to see that the price was crossed above the moving average right here, and it's also crossed above this stochastic Bollinger Bands line. That is the two lines that we want to see. The price cross above. Okay, so once the price cross above the Bollinger Bands line, then you are going to be looking for a buy. Then you target, you catch as many candle as you want, depends on how you want your trade to look, or you can also take your profits when you see that the line almost reach the 80 levels. Very simple and very straightforward. So let me go to boom to show you guys a trade here on boom. So we are going to be using this recent trade here on boom. Now what are you looking for? You want to see that both the moving average and the stochastic oscillator line come to the 80 levels. When it comes to the 80 levels, we are now going to be looking for both of them to cross below each other before they come back and touch the 80 levels, which you can see right here. So once you see that, then you look into your main chart And what are you looking for your main chart? You want to see that the price first crossed below the moving average, and it also crossed below the Bollinger Bands. Okay, that is the two lines we want to see the price cross above it. And when it once it cross above it, this gives us a better confirmation that the trade want to go into our direction, and then catch ourselves. Okay, it's very simple and it's very straightforward strategy. Okay, so that is how the strategy works, and that is how you can use this strategy. Don't forget, if you need any help or you have any question, don't forget to contact us and we'll be able to help you out. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on post notification, and anytime we post new strategy, you guys will be aware. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. As you can see, the video is not that long. Okay.